All right, so here's the Seata. It locks pretty nice. There's a locking mechanism right down here. To unfold it, you're just going to kind of do this. And then bring the back straight up. And again, you can tighten this back by pulling this Velcro over. It's got 9-inch wheels on the front and 12-inch at the back. So it's got pretty nice wheels. To bring this height up, you pull that out and you press this button. And then you can adjust it to the height you need. Usually at a 12-degree bend. So if you're watching this, I'm telling you this is a very nice, comfortable rollator compared to all the other rollators out there. It's meant to be for someone that's going to be sitting for a long periods of time, because a lot of people sit in these rollators and they're not comfortable. So this is the first rollator I've seen that's going to be very comfortable to sit in for long periods of time and still lightweight to take out places. It's got the Strongback like lumbar, and it has a 12-degree dump to it, so it's going to create a better alignment with your back and your spine. So if you're at a facility or assisted living and you sit there and watch concerts or entertainers come, you can stay in this rollator and be comfortable. Or if you go to ballparks, if you go to concerts, this is a very comfortable rollator to sit in or waiting in line to vote. So it's got this nice palm feature right here for your hands. This is also adjustable up if you want to walk in a little bit closer to it. And then if you want to sit down, you just easily bring this down and that gets you your seat. So these little tabs right here help you get up over curbs. You have one on the right, you have one on the left. Here's your brakes, and then you can adjust this down to lock it when you sit down or get up. Easily adjustable brake tension. So if you ever see someone's rollators that their brakes aren't stopping or they're still rolling, it's a little bit harder to do, but they made this to where it's very easy to adjust right here. And to get back to this, you have up to, I think, 39 inches. About 39 inches to as low as 30 inches. But I will say this is at 19 inches when you're sitting down. So if you are a person that has short legs and you plan to sit down and roll with it, make sure that you can get your feet down at 19 inches. What else is cool about it? It's about 20 pounds, so it feels light. It folds up X series. So let's say if you had to go through, it's got a lock right here, so let's figure out how to pull it up like that. And then you can bring it up. If you still need to go through a narrow doorway, you possibly can make it through there safely. If it's just a short travel. Hands inside. That folds back. So I would pull this up here, even though they have a handle here, to fold it. And then you can fold this back down. And if you're taller and you have these up higher, just pull that and bring them down so you can store it in your car. They're also going to give you a nice bag that you can hold. It has a bottle holder, another little pocket here. Inside would be your manual, decent room, and an extra little pocket for cash or whatever. So you can put that very easily either down here, these little clips, or you can put it up here. They have little clips up here too. So that comes with it. So these are adjustable. The seat's not, but the arms are. So you want to get this set to where you almost have like a 20-degree bend with your elbow. Most people don't walk like this or like this, so usually it's a comfortable spot at 20 degrees. If your therapist tells you something different, then you can do that. So that's the Seata by Strongback. Visit us at affordablemedicalusa.com. Put in the Seata, and I think you'll like this, especially if you're looking for a new rollator or if you're looking for a more comfortable rollator. I think this can do just about everything you want it to do. You can go out to the park, you can spend some time at different places, but you're going to be more comfortable. Now, Strongback, real quick, makes some other products. What they started with was the Strongback 24, which is a very nice wheelchair that's lightweight, that the wheels can be disassembled. It also has that same dump and pushback at your back that the rollator is conquering. It comes in 16, 18, and 20-inch width seats. They also make a transport chair with larger backs with attendant brakes. They also make a standard transport chair with your standard wheels. So here's a couple of other products they make. You can get the Strongback in a 22-inch wheel if someone's shorter, just so you know that. But we were really excited to see this sent to us about a new rollator, because we sell a lot of the Escapes, which is an awesome rollator, very comfortable, awesome rollator, great for traveling, great for tight doorways because of the X Series fold. But we also sell a lot of the rollators like this with a little bit thicker backs, but they hit you in one spot, or this round back right here that people complain about. So the rollators have never been something that's supposed to be comfortable to sit in. It's mostly to assist you while you're walking if you have limited mobility. But now we have a rollator that's going to be something that's going to help you with walking, that you can still fold in the middle to make through certain doorways on short distance, and you can sit down on it and be comfortable and help your back, relax your back. So if you want more information about this product, give us a call at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. 251 pounds, so you're right at the max weight capacity. But as long as you're not plopping into this, it's probably fine. But sitting in this, how's it feel?
Feel great.
So again, it's dumping him 12 degrees and it's pushing his back out a little bit to create a little bit better alignment. We'll let him sit in one other rollator, see how he likes that.
Okay. And guess what? Right here. It's easy to get up on. Come up here, push up.
Perfect. Now just a normal rollator. This might be too small for you, but just for example, if you're buying this for,
Okay, this comes up.
It does?
Yeah.
But I just want you to sit
Okay.
in it.
Now hurt your back.
See how that bar hits your back? It's
Right.
hitting his back kind of low.
Right.
So that's the reason for this.
Okay. That's great to have.
Yeah.
This right here, the back, cause back problems in the long run.
It will. And they developed this for that purpose, to create a better alignment and to be able to hit your back at a better spot. So it's basically just like a regular wheelchair,
Right.
but you're able to walk with it.
Right. That's awesome.
And look at the tires.
I love them.
Those are 12-inch tires at the back, 9-inch at the front, and then you also have a little thing if you're out.
To lift up on the curve necessary. One thing I like about this, the brakes, it's in the right location. But here, stopping,
Yep.
they also lock in. You can lock it.
And then what's nice about it, if you're ever having to adjust the brakes, sometimes the brakes need to adjust, where you just have a little thing right here so you can use your fingers. You don't need tools and stuff.
Good. Awesome.
So that's cool too. Well, you're asking about what this is. So as you see, there's no basket underneath here or bag underneath here. So this is a nice little bag that can be placed right here, or it can actually go under the seat.
Okay.
And if you need to walk a little bit closer inside, that just folds right up, so you can get a little bit closer.
That's awesome right there.
Yep.
Yep.
And then fold it down for sitting.
That's awesome.
All right, well, thank you so much. Just wanted to let him get on here. He's taking care of his wife, he's a good man, and just wanted to show him this. All right, perfect.